Hi everybody! I have been doing so much. I first want to tell you that I finally have my logo for my Facebook group called Sisterhood of Natural Hair Divas. I am so proud of this logo. It has the different shades of women that we come in as black women, different hairstyles. I wanted to have a little sense of diva, you know, and girliness, but not snooty. I'm so happy with the outcome. The graphic designer worked with me very well, and it took a little time, but when you want something a certain way, you know, it takes time, and he was very patient. His name is Jordan Maningo. I did a photo shoot with my husband and it was so fun. I changed outfits twice. He changed outfits twice. We don't have the CD as of yet, but she sent us some sneak peeks and I'll let you sneak and peek. So those are the photos. And I am very happy with them so far. We had a great time. It was a surprise from my daddy for Father's Day, I believe. And my husband did very well because he hates taking pictures. But I'm a brat, so he does pretty much, you know, what I want. Not saying he's a chump or anything like that, but, you know, he likes to make me happy. So he took the pictures and I'm very grateful to him for it. My kids have been out of town and I am handling much better than I have in the beginning. And me and my husband have just been dating, which is really cool, which is one of the reasons I haven't been recording. I love, you know, talking to you guys and just recording about silly things and things of that nature, but I really just wanted to take this time, you know, without children. I've never, in my whole marriage, been without kids. So we have just been dating, you know, and having fun and just leaving where we want to and not worried about babysitters and things of that nature. So I apologize in sorts for not recording, but I am taking as much time with my husband as I can without my children, you know, being here. It's just a different feel. I can't say that I would never want my kids to come back because God, you know, knows I miss those little faces. But you don't get many opportunities for your parents to take your children from you, you know, and just let you guys just, you know, go to work and come home and enjoy each other. So that's been very fun, very refreshing, very needed in our marriage. So I'm happy to my parents for that. I thank goodness for Skype though, because I'm able to see my children and talk to them and watch them act crazy for as long as I want for free. And I'll be saying this until November. Still just been getting everything together for our November Natural Hair Expo. My business partner has been in the hospital, so I ask that you keep her in prayer. She's not out the hospital yet, but she's in recovery. She's been in the hospital 3 weeks. She has sickle cell anemia, and it is a very, it can be very deadly. It's predominantly an African American. Once again, I ask you to keep her in prayer. She is very strong, very funny, and I'm happy really to have her, you know, in my life because we balance each other out. You know, it's just very scary how much we balance each other out. So I'm going to keep all of you informed if you're in Florida or if you're willing to travel when it's going to be, because we're expecting a great turnout like we had in May with our first event in St. Petersburg, Florida. I also have a group called Team Sexy Body on Facebook. There are all shapes, sizes, and colors and backgrounds in my group. It's not based off of natural hair. If any of you women, and it's only women, who want to join the group, because we talk about very personal things. We post pictures of ourselves to keep ourselves accountable. We ask just very personal questions. We're very, you know how I am. You know, we're very tight-knit, loving community. It has grown immensely. I am almost at 300 members, and I started a few months ago. So I'm very, very proud about that. I also wanted to tell you that I posted a very bold picture on a site called Black Women Losing Weight. And I did not expect to get the attention that it did get. I just wanted to be the voice of women, you know, to let them know that so what you have stretch marks because of your children. You know, so what you have been working out and you still can't get rid of that little stupid behind pudge that's at the bottom of your freaking stomach. You know, just sitting there like, I don't care how much you work out, we're just gonna flub around. You know, that little thing, or the things on the side, those doggone love handles. You know, I posted a picture, and the top picture, everybody thought I was pregnant, but I wasn't. I was just big. My stomach was just big. I told y'all my stomach was out of control. Y'all ain't want to believe me. So I had to show y'all. In the bottom pictures, they were the pictures of me, you know, working out and trying to get my stomach down. And the water challenges that I was telling you guys about, drinking 70 ounces a day, really helped me. Of course, I drink more now, but, you know, taking that 1.5 liters to work and then drinking, you know, here and there before I went to bed, water just cleans you out so much, and it's done wonders for my skin and my hair and everything. So I really encourage you, if you are on a weight loss or just healthy journey, that you definitely incorporate and upgrade your water intake. So the last thing I'm going to tell you is I have my puff. I am so excited about this puff because y'all remember that one video I had, and I had I just had this little thing, just a little tiny little thing, just let you know, but that big, and I was proud of it too, and I didn't care, and I posted a video about it too. But it took over a year to get this puff. And this is my little, y'all know I love headbands. Oh my God, I love headbands. But I have this headband, you know, and let me take it off. Oh. And this is my puff. So I really just was coming to talk to you today because I was just missing you guys. And just wanted to express to you the things that was going on in my life. And I will be starting to do more hair tutorials and things of that nature. But I really just try to balance my home life, do recordings, but I am always on Facebook. So if any time that you want to chat with me, you know, just add me as a friend. I'm always on Facebook. I'm in both of the groups that I told you about. Don't forget to like my fan page, Sisterhood of Natural Hair Divas. Please let me know how you like my logo, if it represents us well. And I will talk to you soon.